Hey, everybody. Welcome back to My Modern Homestead. If you don't already know, my name is Janet, and I am so happy you're here. Today, we just have a fun, short little video. I want to show you something I found on the internet, and these look so fun. They're just little fried marshmallows. Now, there's something in this video that might offend some of you. If you offend easily, there's other channels. Feel welcome to go visit them. So, are you ready? Let's go. Okay, now to get started on this recipe, we want to use some buttermilk pancake mix. Now this is the Pearl Milling. I'm sorry, and your mama, she needs to be honored. So now to this, we're going to add 2/3 cup of milk. So into there we go. Then we need 1 large egg. So put that in there. And then we're going to give this a good mix. But before I do that, I also need 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Now, this is my homemade vanilla, and I'm going to use a 1/2 teaspoon to this instead of a whole teaspoon because I like the flavor of it. So there we go. All right, now give it a good mix. This could not be any easier, and it would make a great appetizer if you want to use it for Father's Day, your 4th of July parties. I know Memorial Day's already passed, but if you're having a late Memorial Day celebration, it would be fun. Anything, little outdoor parties, or we're coming to the grilling season. If you want to use these for outdoor parties, so fun. Just get this good and mixed up, and I'll show you the next step. Now, for this next part, we just need 20 of these marshmallows. That's what the recipe says. I don't know if we need to use 20, but that's what we're going to use. Now, my oil is coming up temperature right behind me in my new little fryer that we're going to test out today. So I'm not ready to dip these yet, but when we're ready, we'll come back and dip them together. But let me show you what we're going to do afterwards. Now, I don't know which way is going to work better, so I have both ways ready to go. I have some apple pie spice, but you don't have to use apple pie spice. You can leave them plain. You can use sugar, powdered sugar. You can dust them with cinnamon sugar, whatever you would like. Just put it on there. So I'm going to try the apple pie spice, and I'm going to try to sprinkle it. But if that doesn't work, then we're going to put some in the bowl and just roll them around when they're done. So let's let this come up to temperature. The other light will come on when it's ready, and we'll get this started. Okay, our oil is done. So what I'm going to do is just drop some marshmallows down into here, coat them super well, and then we'll drop them down into the air fryer. Okay, now here we go. Here's our little marshmallow. Drop it right down in the oil, and it'll only take a few seconds. So I'm going to do these in probably batches of 3 or 4 at a time. What'd you say, baby?
I accidentally used the wrong water.
Oh, it don't matter in the sink. Okay. Just that quick, we're ready to turn them over. Can y'all hear that rain out there? It's just a coming down. Oh, these are fun. Okay. I'm going to take the apple pie spice and just sprinkle it over the top. Voila! Oh my goodness, these were so fun and so easy. Aren't they so pretty? Look at my hair, y'all. This is just a bumming around Saturday. We're just bumming around the house, and oh well, you get what you get around here. All right, let's try one. Some of these, the marshmallow leaked out, so I'm going to find one where the marshmallow is still in it. Well, they're all kind of melty in there. Let's see. Here we go. Let's try. Oh my. My goodness. These are so good, y'all. So good. Thank you all. Sorry, Alyssa. Oh, thank you so much for joining me. You know I love it when you come and spend a few minutes with me. This was such a fun, easy, quick recipe, y'all. Y'all have got to try it. It's perfect for any holiday, any special weeknight meal you want to treat with, any weekend meal you want to treat with. Just go try it. So until we meet again, may you be blessed. Love you guys. Bye-bye.